Alright, so since the other day we was talking about plantain, I'm gonna show y'all how I do mine. So this is how I like to cut mine, like medium. I hate thick plantain. So we're gonna get started here with some olive oil. I usually use olive oil or coconut oil. So what we're gonna do, this is an electric stove. I'm gonna turn it on 4. I'm gonna pour just enough oil in here that it'll take up half the plantain, but not too much, because I don't like the plantain to soak. But yeah, we'll go with that and wait for the oil to warm up. Alright, so this is a special part of the process here. So right now I usually pick like half with an electric stove, and I wait for the oil to get hot. If I don't do that, the oil will burn up before I can even use it. So one thing, especially when you're using olive oil or coconut oil, if the oil smokes, it's bad. You can't use it no more, and you're supposed to throw that away. So right now I'm waiting to see if the oil is ready. It seems like it's about ready, and this is my test here. Just wet my hand a little bit, or the fork, and so it's not quite ready. When it's ready, it pops a little bit. So here we go. Alright, so oil looks like it's about ready. Yeah, that's ready. So here we go. And what I do, I'm gonna put in as much as I can, as much as I can manage. I actually put it in too early, but whatever, can go on. So I'm gonna gradually raise the temperature, and I'm gonna stop there, because if I put too many, I'm not gonna be able to flip them properly. But so every time I put a piece of plantain in there, I'm lowering the temperature of the oil, so I have to gradually raise it to compensate. Normally when I cook it, it's supposed to look like this, where half of the plantain is sticking out. What you don't want is the plantain fully submerged in the oil, because it won't cook properly. So yeah, right now you see how this is like a darker color. So I always tell people cooking plantain is like cooking bacon. So you cook it on the outside, you wait till it goes through, and then you turn it. So because this one is fully submerged, I have to pay special attention to it. A next indication to me of when it's time to flip is when I start smelling the plantain. So you turn it. And you have to be careful when you turn it, because there's moisture in the plantain that may cause it to flush. Alright, so you get it a little brown like. And the whole idea is for the oil to absorb. And it's going to cook faster when you turn it over, because now the entire plantain is hot. So if you ever see them jokes on social media about plantain, you see right now it's almost perfect. If I wait 12 more seconds, it's going to bun up. So this is my supply pot, and this is where I'm actually going to store the finished plantain. So what I do is I flip mine again, because I want to ensure it cooks in the center. Plus I like my plantain a little burnt. So this second flip is just to ensure that it cooks through, because what happens to a lot of people is it cooks or burns on the outside and it's not cooked through in the center. So that's what the second flip is all about. And then in the beginning, when I said only put in about as much plantain as you can manage, if you put too much plantain, by the time you start taking out the first two, the rest of them are going to bun up. So like this one is about done. See, now I'm getting to the danger zone. So this is where you got to start pulling. So I got mine about right where I want it. So we pull that one. Oh. That one. Yeah. And then when I'm done, I just kind of squeeze them to get the oil out. And there you have it. Plaintain, the dark version. See that?